Hello everyone and welcome to How-FixIT. In this video I'm gonna show you how to upgrade or install RAM in Dell G5, 5 and 7 laptop. To disassemble Dell G5 you will need next tools: Phillips 1 screwdriver, plastic tool. In the description I leave link where to buy all necessary tools. Turn the laptop over and remove screw on the bottom cover. Next, take a plastic tool and begin to open the cover. Disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. The Dell G5 5587 laptop supports DDR4 RAM. The maximum amount of RAM is 64 GB. In the description I leave link where to buy RAM for Dell G5. Well, that's all. You were on How-FixIT and see you guys next time.